What's up guys, and welcome back to Before Crypto. In this video we're going to find out why this week is going to be very important for the crypto market and also for the financial industry. Because guys, we're going to see a lot of volatility and we're going to find out at the moment, are we going to see that we're going to stay within the symmetrical triangle and dump even lower, or are we going to see that this daily candle is going to close above this trend line and we're going to see a bounce from these regions? Guys, we're going to find out exactly that, but we're also going to look at the factors that brings a lot of volatility into the markets, so what price movements we could expect. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel, and now let's start with the video. Welcome back to Before Crypto, and guys, before we're going to go directly into the charts, I want to thank you all for supporting me on my journey and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe exactly now. So let's go into the charts. And at the moment on the weekly chart, you can see that we are still underneath the 200 moving average, and that is quite bearish. Because guys, we need to see that this weekly candle will close above the 200 moving average, so that we can say that we will definitely see a higher move towards the upside and even reach levels of 40,000 US dollars. Guys, we have to wait and see what this week is going to bring for us, because guys, we could expect that we are going to see some high volatility, and we're going to go on the 1 hour chart to really find out which factors can bring in some high volatility. So guys, the FOMC meeting is going to be on the 27th of July, and I think that we are going to see a dump towards the FOMC meeting, and then maybe we're going to get a good report and a good decision from the Fed, and that we could expect a higher price movement. Guys, we have to see what this market situation brings, but I could expect some high volatility towards the FOMC meeting, so that we could expect that we're going to see some fake outs towards the upside and even towards the downside, until we're going to see this decision from the FOMC meeting, and maybe we're going to reach a low of 21,000 for the price of Bitcoin. And guys, if we're going to get a bad decision, we could expect that the price will dump even lower. And we're going to see on the 4 hour chart what these levels could be. But guys, let's go to the next date where we could see some high volatility. So guys, on the 28th, we will see the US GDP report from Q2. This could be a catalyst event that could bring some high volatility into the markets. Because guys, if we're going to see some good numbers and a good report, we could expect that Bitcoin will see a pump from these regions. On Friday, we are also going to see that the Bitcoin future options will expire. This could also have an effect on the market situation. So guys, overall, I would expect that we are going to see a dump and some volatile moves before the FOMC meeting. Then maybe from a good decision, we're going to see that we're going to reach the levels of 22,000 US dollar level. And with a good report, we could see that Bitcoin could be off all the way back to the 23,000 US dollar region by the end of the week. But guys, it really all depends about the situation in the markets and the decisions that are being taken. Because guys, we could expect that we are going to see a 75% basis point increase, or we could even see some higher numbers. And if we're going to see some bad results, we could expect that the price dumps even lower and that we could reach lower levels. And we're going to go on the lower time frames to find out which levels we could reach. On the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin, you can see that we broke out from the symmetrical triangle. From this trend line, we had resistance, and now we are finding support on this trend line. And we bounced off from the support. And guys, at the moment, we can see that the price went underneath this trend. And we found support on the 4 hour chart on the 100 EMA. So guys, what will really be important for Bitcoin is that we come above this trend line again, and that we could consolidate and break out from these regions. But guys, we are seeing that we got a lot of support and resistance in these regions. But guys, at the moment, this box is some heavy resistance, and we need to consolidate above this trend line to really see a bullish move before the FOMC meeting. But guys, we also could see a rejection and then come all the way down to this trend line. But guys, if we look at the overall picture, this would still be quite bullish for Bitcoin, because guys, we can see that we are still forming higher lows, and that is very good. Even if we're going to see a dump all the way down to the previous all-time high, and after a Fed decision, we are going to see that the market moves up again, because guys, we could see a strong move towards these meetings, or we could see a dump before we are going to get these events, and then we are going to see from positive or negative results that the market will react accordingly. But guys, I will keep you updated about the market situations, and guys, if you like my content, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we see each other in the next video.